Hey, just making this vid to show how I was able to create so many noun arrays so quickly. I wrote a script in Google Sheets and did some other things, some standard um, spreadsheet concatenation, so that all I have to do, I have this querying the Wiktionary for these Latin words, and all I have to do is select the Latin word, hit the button Create Noun Array. It goes to the site, pulls the info, um, um, threads it together the way I have it concatenated, and so there it is. It creates the noun array naturally. Click on the next word. Every now and then something will be off, and I'll go and manually fix it. But for 90% of a list of 342 nouns, it created it with integrity, like perfectly, like this. And the next one, porta, and so on. So here's the script. I'm not going to go into what it does, just showing a kind of an image of it here. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for your time.